Welcome back, everyone, and if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you too. Have you ever been working on an important Word document only to accidentally close it without saving and felt that instant wave of panic? Well, today I am going to show you exactly how to recover that unsaved document in just a few simple clicks. This trick has saved me so many times, and once you know it, you will never panic over a lost document again. So let us get straight into it. Okay, so let's say you want to recover a Word document that was closed without ever being saved. Here, I have a document open about noise-canceling headphones. This document has never been saved manually, and just to demonstrate the problem, I am going to close it right now without saving. Now comes the important part. How do we get this document back? The first thing you need to do is open Word again. Then go to the File tab in the top left corner and click on Open. Now look carefully at the bottom of this list of recently opened files. You will see an option called Recover Unsaved Documents. This is the option we are looking for, so go ahead and click on it. Once you click that, a new window will open showing you a list of documents that have never been manually saved, but have been automatically saved behind the scenes by Word itself. This is Word's built-in safety feature working behind the scenes the whole time, even when you don't realize it. Now, I simply look through this list and find the document I am looking for, in this case, the one about noise-canceling headphones. I select it and then click Open. And just like that, look at this. The entire document has been fully recovered. Every single word I typed is exactly where I left it. Nothing was lost. Now, here is something very important you need to remember. This recovered file is currently stored only as a temporary file on your computer. So at this stage, you absolutely need to click Save As and properly save the document to your computer or OneDrive. This way, you will never run into this same problem again with this particular file. And that is honestly all there is to it. Such a simple trick, but it can save you hours of rewritten work and so much unnecessary stress. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. I really hope this trick saves you from ever losing an important document again. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tutorial like this one. And if you know someone who has ever lost an unsaved document, please share this video with them. It might just save their day. Thank you so much for watching.